Here, sound travels from the source to our ears, passing through air on the way. Let's pump the air out of the jar. The sound level is much reduced. Some vibration is conducted through the floor of the jar, but there's no air to conduct sound. Until we let the air back in. You can't see sound waves, but of course you can hear them. Often you can hear them even when you can't see the source. Why do you think that is? All else equal, sound waves with higher frequency have higher pitch. At a given frequency, greater amplitude gives greater intensity, which gives greater loudness. If different sounds have the same pitch and the same loudness, then by definition they have different timbre or different sound quality. Here are some different timbres. Timbre depends on how the wave varies over time and on its spectrum. The relations among the physical and perceptual properties are complicated, however. Frequency has a strong influence on loudness, and the others are interrelated too, as these arrows show. We return to these properties in a later chapter.